Good morning, my dear students. I'm your social teacher of Class 4. Today, we are going to see the new lesson, that is, Lesson 12, our energy resources. In this energy resources, we are going to learn types of natural resources, renewable resources, non-renewable resources, conservation of resources. This lesson is very easy, so in this video even we can complete this lesson. This will be very easy and you can understand very easily. So we can move to the lesson. Students, our energy resources is otherwise called as natural resources. Nature has provided us many things like air, sun, water, land, minerals and forests are known as natural resources. They are gifts of nature and cannot be created by human beings. Understood or not? These are not created by human beings. These are nature. Natural resources can be defined as useful raw materials that we get from the earth to make other products. These we are using repeatedly, and air, sunlight, water, land, minerals, these are natural resources. This nature is giving repeatedly to us. For example, wind is a natural resources. What we are getting from the wind? We generate electricity from wind using windmills. Have you ever seen the windmills anywhere? Yeah, while going Tirunelveli, we can see so many windmills. We need electricity for our daily needs, isn't it? So, with the help of the wind, we are generating electricity. Similarly, sugar is a human-made resources. So, sugar is a human-made resources that comes from sugarcane. Sugarcane is a natural resources. Understood? Now we can move to types of natural resources. We have two types of natural resources. Natural resources are classified into renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Students, tell me, what do you mean by renewable resources? Renewable means repeatedly it will come. We can't complete that, isn't it? So repeatedly what will come? Repeatedly sun, air, water, plant, soil, all these things will come repeatedly. So we can't destroy all these things, isn't it? This is a renewable resources. And what do you mean by non-renewable resources? So thousands of years before, dead plants and animals may bury, decayed, and it is a form like a petrol, coal, natural gas and metals. These are non-renewable resources. If we use once, we can't get back again. In the previous video, in the previous lesson, I already taught you about this, isn't it? So, non-renewable resources means once if we use, we can't get back again. Renewable resources means how much we are using repeatedly, it will come. Understood? If you understand this difference between, you can learn very easily. Now we are going to see renewable resources. Resources that renew themselves quickly and can be used multiple times are called renewable resources. Understood? We can use repeatedly. How much time we need, we can use repeatedly. It won't destroy. This is called renewable resources. Air, wind, water, plants and animals are called as renewable resources. The first topic is solar energy. Sun. The sun gives all living beings energy to live. The energy produced by the sun is called solar energy. Plants prepare their food by using this energy. Solar energy is also used for cooking and generating electricity. Students, in these natural resources, sun, air, water, plants, everything is there, isn't it? So, if one is not there, we can't live. If a sun is not there, for example, if sun is not there, instead of sun, air, water, everything is there. Whether plants can produce food. If plants didn't grow properly, we can't get food, isn't it? So, sun is very important. Okay, the next topic, air. Instead of air, sun, water is there. Whether all living beings can live without air? No, we can't live. Okay, leave this sun and air. Water is not there. Whether we can live? We can't live without water. So, all these natural resources are very important. Now, we can move to the second topic, air. All living beings need air to live. Wind is used to produce electricity. Huge windmills have been set up in coastal regions of Karnataka, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra to produce electricity. And the third topic is water. We need water for drinking, cooking, washing, and for growing crops. Electricity generated from moving water is called hydroelectricity. The fourth topic is biomass energy. What do you mean by biomass energy? Biomass is a fuel developed from organic matter, waste of living organisms like plant waste, animal waste, forest waste, and municipal waste. In biological terms, the word biomass refers to the organic plant matter which is converted into fuel and used as a energy source. Apart from these four topics, that is solar energy, air, water, and biomass energy, plants and soil is very important. Plants and soil is not there in our lesson, so just listen what I am saying. All living beings depend on plants for food and fresh air. We get fruits, herbs, wood, medicines, rubber and timber from plants and trees. Trees give shelter to animals and birds and hold the soil together to prevent soil erosion. Plant is very important for us. Plants absorbs carbon dioxide and releases oxygen to us. We are breathing oxygen. If plants are not there, we can't get the fresh air. And the next topic is soil. If soil is not there, the plant can't grow. If plant can't grow, we can't eat and we can't breathe properly, isn't it? So the major thing is soil. All plants and living beings depend on soil. We need soil to grow plants, which give us our basic needs like food, clothing, and shelter. Fertile soil helps the growth of good crops. Students, we completed renewable resources. Now we can move to non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources means resources that cannot be used repeatedly as fast as they are used up are called non-renewable resources. They take thousands of years to form. They are exhaustible resources. because there is only a limited amount present on the earth and can be exhausted. Petrol, coal, natural gas, and metals are important natural resources. Now we can move to the first topic, coal. Coal is an important mineral. Coal is formed from the remains of animals and plants and takes thousands of years to form. It is used as a fuel for cooking, heating, in steel producing and to generate electricity. The second topic is petrol. Petrol is also called as black gold. We get petrol from deep under the earth. It is found in between rocks, both under the sea or on land. It is refined by making petrol, diesel, and kerosene. These are used as fuel for vehicles. And the third topic is natural gas. These are many types of natural gases trapped between the rocks under the earth's surface, such as methane. Natural gas also comes from the remains of plants and animals. It is used in houses for cooking and heating and as a fuel for vehicles. And the last topic is conservation of resources. We need to conserve our natural resources so that they do not get exhausted for our future generation. We need to do some points, that is, plant more trees and save our forests. Save water by using it only in needed quantity. Not pollute our water bodies by throwing waste in them. Save electricity by switching off fans and lights after use. Not pollute the air by bursting crackers. Take good care of wildlife. We should reduce our dependency on non-renewable resources and depend way to use renewable resources better. Students, we completed this lesson. We can have a small recall. Resources. Nature has provided us many things like air, water, sunlight, minerals, forests, and wildlife. We have two types of natural resources. They are renewable resources and non-renewable resources. What do you mean by renewable resources? Resources that renew themselves quickly and can be used multiple times are called renewable resources, such as air, water, sunlight, plants and soil and biomass energy. These are renewable resources. And what do you mean by non-renewable resources? Resources that cannot be repeatedly used is called non-renewable resources, such as petrol, natural gas and coal. These are non-renewable resources. Conservation of resources means we should not waste our resources and use them wisely. So, we should not waste our resources. Students, we completed this lesson. Reading is very important. You have to read the lesson. If you read, you can understand what I taught. Thank you, children. Have a good day.